going on, guys? I'm going to keep this short for you guys. Before we do anything, make sure to smash the subscribe button. That's number one. Number two, make sure to check out all the links in my bio, including Send It official merchandise, which you also get a 10% discount on. So guys, as you can see from the title, the thumbnail is what the video is going to be about. I want to ask you guys, is that something you guys want to see more with the S3, and of course featured cars as well, separate videos? I am more than happy to invest some money into that type of equipment, and of course with better quality. The footage that I'm going to play now for you guys was just a test to see kind of what it's all about. I know that day it was raining, so I kind of wanted to see what it was like behind the S3, seeing some awesome flames from a third person's perspective. Kind of feels like you're in a game. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Should I invest in one with better quality? So yeah, guys, I hope you guys obviously staying safe. Enjoy. And also, before I go, I do also have the GTR's footage. If you guys want me to release that, let me know in the comment section below, and if I can get 50 likes on this video, I will release the footage.